Good afternoon, guys and girls. And anyway, got some new tires on it. They're itty bitty ones, I guess. They're the stock size that comes on the cars, but in the mud terrain. I'd like to, being I don't have running boards on it, I want to make it easier to get in and out of. And this was the smallest size tire, but yet the biggest, as far as it lowers about, it's almost like having a lowering kit on it. About an inch and a half. Lower the whole trucks. Makes it real easy to get in and out without having to cost me, I don't know, I think like $1,200 for the set, and that's installed. Anyway, they look really good. They're nice, aggressive. I'm hoping to they perform as good as they look. Anyway, so I'm gonna give you guys a cold start. Truck's been sitting for about a day and a half. There she is, 5 inches of pure sound. Anyway, it goes up and over the axle. And try to get under here for you guys so you can see it. But right there runs back and then goes stock right there. But like I said, actually had some compliments of it. I was kind of figuring most people probably complain it's too loud, but I've actually had a lot of people compliment that the tone's good, nice, deep. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a kind of a cold start. Like it's been sent for a couple days, so see what she does. It mellows right out once it idles down. It's got a nice idle.